Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of EDU 600, and this is the pre-Thanksgiving break video, and I will try to keep it very brief because, as you know, no work is expected this week, and that doesn't mean that you might not work on your own. It's entirely up to you, but no official work is required this week. So to get us going, and, there may be people traveling that might not even see this, or people are busy this week, but I will finish recording this and post it online and also send out an announcement. So first of all, let's take a look at, last week was week number 12. Actually, week number 12 ends tomorrow, which is Sunday. And I just wanted to go through the assignments. Article Capture 1, 2, 3, all of the Article Capture 2 assignments have been completed. The new submissions, meaning there's nobody that just submitted everything, so everybody should have. Those that have submitted assignments, I am showing there's nothing outstanding at this point. The experimental critique, which, I will have, there's 15 of those. I will have those graded by midweek this week. I'll have those graded by Thanksgiving. And then what we have a draft matrix coming up. This has been moved from the original due date of November 24th, and I just bumped it up a couple more days to December 3rd. So that is after Thanksgiving. It's actually the Tuesday after you come back from Thanksgiving break. Then we have the final review, which is the paper. And then there's a couple of things, class participation. So maybe this week, if you haven't done some of the discussion posts, you can go back and circle in. Now just realize that if you didn't do week, just say 5 and 6, and you want to do your original post, that's fine. But the class has moved on, so chances are you'll get half credit for that particular week because everybody has moved on, and really there's no opportunity for discussion at that point. So that is it as far as the assignments go. Now let me just go back to week number 12 as a refresher. So week number 12 is all about the draft data matrix, and I use the word draft because what you submit really to me is it is an assignment, and the assignment's coming up on December 3rd, but it's really what I consider it a draft assignment, because between now and the end you may actually change an article or two as you start writing your final assignment. So we call it a draft until you submit it in with your final critique paper. So please revisit the video and the to-do list from last week for week number 12. There's all kinds of information on here about constructing the matrix. And this is, we've used this before. It is a voice thread, so you go in there and you will advance, you manually advance going from one slide to the other. Not every slide has audio attached to it, but gives really good examples of how do you do your draft matrix. The draft matrix is due after Thanksgiving. It's due on December 3rd. And once again, in here, you have a template and a couple exemplars. If you have any questions on this, shoot me an email. I am going to be around this Thanksgiving week. I might not be quite as responsive, but feel free to shoot me an email. And I did want to mention just one more thing. Next week, week number 13, doesn't start until Monday, December 2nd, but I did make all of the materials available for that particular week. I made them available now, but I do say the video for week number 13 will be posted on December 1st. If I do it beforehand, I will just post it and let you know that it has been posted. But here's all the information that we have coming up for week number 13. And really, this is all about practitioner research or action research. So you can follow the directions in here. There is a discussion forum, And, I say in here, the draft matrix, which is due on December 3rd, will be graded and the comments posted by the end of the week on December 7th. So that is it. In week 13, which is once again after Thanksgiving, we have a discussion forum, and I will keep it at that. And I want to just thank everybody for being such a good class. If you have any questions, any concerns, I know with the article captures, there's a bunch of people that have to find a replacement. If you need a replacement article, if you need help with that, please let me know. Or if you have any questions, also let me know. I'm here. And I am not traveling this week. I did my travel out to a national conference a few weeks ago, and so I am here all week. And so I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, whatever you might be doing on that particular day or during this week. And, once again, if I can help in any way, let me know. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.